See, it's traded with swings and largely stayed bullish. We have seen the record levels in S&P, we have seen record levels in Tech 100, DJ30 has also followed, and Germany 40 FTSE 100 retraced on the upside. What to expect today from these five major indices? Where to enter, where to exit, how to profit? We're gonna see here with the help of charts and indicators. Also, this is the first update for the day, and this is the only channel to deliver twice a day updates so that you can profit across Asia, Europe, and US sessions. Subscribe, press the bell icon, do like, share, and comment. Join the free Telegram channel for live market updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start. First S&P followed with Nasdaq, then Dow. Lastly, Germany 40 and FTSE 100 watched till the end. S&P has moved towards the record at 6660 yesterday, and since then we have seen a good dip and good swing here. Now it is range bound, and you can see the 20 period right now is offering it a very good support. What I'll expect now, if you see it is staying below 6628, you can take a sell here. In fact, if you recall 6636, so if you see it is staying below 6636, you can take a sell, expect 6628, 661820, and if that is taken, that's a possible beginning of reversal. Notice here, rise, a greater pullback, greater rise, so might follow with a pullback. It might try to stay in this channel here. The lows of the channel are well below 6600, 6580 mark. Stochastic has dropped, the MACD is staying bearish, the RSI has dropped as well. On the 2-hour charts, when you look at, see it is closing with a swing here, it is closing it in indecision when the next candle starts, and if you see a move below 6630, 6628, there's the possible beginning of further downside here, which is going to take it towards 6618, 6620, 6600, and then 6580, the most crucial one. The stochastic looking down, MACD has also crossed over for a sell. RSI is trading with slight bearishness here. Look at the 3-hour charts. Notice one greener candle, couple of retracement. Now let's have a look at the upside. So where you can say that it is reversing. If you see a move beyond 6650, you can buy, but then till 6660 you have to remain extremely cautious. Only bullishness is if S&P trades beyond 6660 levels. Till then it's not yet a reversal. Stochastic flat, MACD trying to converge crossover for sell. RSI has dropped here. Look at 4 hour. On the 4-hour charts, you can see a top is created swings here, and the current candle ending in an indecision suggests that possibly the follow-up candle might trade with slight bearishness and it can move towards 6620 or lower levels, and any drop below 6620 should take it towards 6600 and 6580 levels. Right now, too early to jump onto that conclusion though. Indicators are trying to suggest slight bearishness here. Coming to daily chart, first on the daily charts you can still see the 25 period moving average offering it a very good support, and this makes 6620, 6618 zone as a crucial support zone for the day, and below this you can expect a good slide all the way towards 6600 and 6580. Reversal confirmation in S&P is only and only if you see it is staying below 6580. Moving averages are bullish, stochastic overbought, MACD overbought, RSI overbought here as well. So considering this now, where you should buy, I will only now recommend you to buy if you see it is staying beyond 6642, or see you can expect it to move towards 6648, 50 first target zone, and then 6656, 6660 the next target zone. If at all it decides to trade above this, if at all S&P decides to break out beyond this, I think you should not think of selling S&P. We are looking at 6705 levels here. While on the downside, I will recommend a selling entry at 6628.30 zone here. Expect it to move towards 6620. 6620, 6618 should be a good support. Below this, ideally I'll be looking forward to 6600, 6580, and then in fact a major sharp drop towards 6550 levels very soon. Trade accordingly. Let's move to NASDAQ 100. Tech 100 on the early chart, see clearly showing a support at 24,440, 24,420 zone, which is a very crucial support, and rather let me include 24,440 and 24,400 zone. Very crucial support here. Yes, on the early charts, the 20 period is offering it a little support. So now if you see it is staying in fact below 24,450, you can stay with the sells. But then expect 24,400 as the first support, 24,350, 340 as the next. If at all it decides to trade below this, the strongest one is till 24,300. And if you recall, I have mentioned yesterday as well, this is going to be the most crucial zone between 24,300 and 200. Now see what has happened, rise, retracement. Bigger rise might follow with a bigger retracement here. We have to wait for today's move that is going to remain crucial. Stochastic has dropped, the MACD is trading with divergence and bearishness looking downwards, and it has lot much of downside still available with it. The RSI has dropped as well. On the 2 hour, similar observation. Now see, a buying entry I will only recommend if you see it is staying beyond 24,520 levels. Expect 24,550, 560. And if at all it trades beyond 24,560, that's a reversal. It is going to rally strong again. Indicators have cooled down. The MACD is on the verge of a crossover for sell. RSI is staying flat. On the 3 hour charts, the current candle ending in decision, one greener candle, couple of retracement. If at all it trades beyond 24,500, 520, that's the beginning of a reversal here. Good consolidation, and if it breaks out, we can expect 24,560, 24,600 plus levels. When you see the move here, rise retracement, then rise, so it might follow with a retracement like this, where the lows at 24,200 can be expected soon. Stochastic bearish, MACD trying to converge, RSI has dropped. And on the 4 hour charts, the 5 period moving average so far giving it a support here. A reversal sign has appeared. Remember, a reversal sign has appeared here after the end of this bull run, which suggests that there could be possible downtrend beginning here. Coming to daily, see on the daily charts, first of all, the 5 period is offering it a very good support here, and with the support from 5 period, the price is trading bullish. The farther it goes from 5 period moving average, the stronger is the chances of pullback. Now today's move is going to be very crucial here, because see, once it breaks out beyond 24,560, you can expect a move towards 24,620, and then in fact a move towards 24,720, 24,800 can be expected here. See, strong support so far is gathered from the 5 period moving average. Now it is very crucial for the tech 100 to trade below 24,300 to confirm any kind of reversal today. Yes, the things are getting slightly overbought, and hence it may call for a cool down. Now, before I give you the trading levels for the day, before I provide you the trading levels and strategy, if you are willing to learn this art of trading, do join my mentorship batch. 34th batch started this week. You can be part of it. What you get along is, and also the reservations for the next batch is started. What you get along here is, first, you can attend as many live batches in the future as well if you miss to attend the current one. And yes, you will also get the recordings for your reference, and those looking forward to handholding post the batch, you will be part of our alumni group here, where we discuss the trades and the trends. Do join the mentorship batch today, else you can be part of my signals channel, where trading as per the signals you can profit. Write an email, ping me or telegram for your queries. Those looking forward to a trusted partner which offers you a free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, easier transactions and easier withdrawals from across the globe, you can find the recommended broker link in the channel and video description. Now, where you should buy? Ideally, now the buying entry is only about 24,520 levels. If you see about this, you can expect 24,550, 560 first target zone. If this is taken, 24,620, and if this is taken, then 24,700. Beyond 24,700, I will be looking forward to 24,800 levels very soon, chances for which appears to be less here. On the downside, I will recommend you to sell at 24,440 levels. Expect 24,400, 350, 300. Any drop below 24,300 will be confirmation of a massive reversal towards 24,200 and 24,000 levels very soon. Take your trades and positions accordingly. Let's move to Dow Jones. DJ30 hit the record levels here close to 46,350, and since then a massive swing is seen, and now it is trying to confine itself within a narrow zone. It has to deliver a breakout here. A move below 46,100 and 46,000 will be confirmation of further downside here. As long as 46,000, 46,100 zone is not taken, do not trade. This is bearish. What's happening since the drop? It is retracing, and now if it trades lower, even if you see it is staying below 46,150, you can take a sell. But till 46,000, you have to put a 50 points trailing stop loss here. Indicators have cooled down significantly on the hourly charts. On the 2 hour charts, similar observation. See, the top here is pretty clear, 46,260, and with that as resistance, we have seen bearishness here. The next candle, if you see it is staying below 46,150, you can stay with the sells for 46,100, 050, 46,000, and below that it might show a greater move here. Indicators, specifically the MACD, just crossing over here, slight bearish sign it is, though the MACD and RSI almost flat. On the 3 hour charts, it's a consolidation. Look at this. See, the complete move is engulfed between these zone, that is 46,150 to 46,250. It has to trade above and below this in order to confirm a direction. The stochastic is rising while the MACD moving averages are trying to converge here. MACD is trying to converge here. Look at the 4-hour chart, similar observation, drop, retracement, and now it is taking a shape. So with the next candle, if you see it dropping and trading below 46,150, take a sell for 46,100, and if it trades below 46,100, that might post a greater down move here towards 46,000, 45,800 levels. Stochastic flat, MACD in green, RSI flat here. Coming to daily. On the daily charts, look at the preceding few candles. First, the greater rise, and see this consolidation, then a retracement, again a rise. Now today, if it starts to reverse and if at all it trades beyond 46,400, stay bullish. This might take it all the way towards 46,600. That could be the beginning of next bull run here. Be cautious here. Today's move is very, very important. Stochastic, MACD, RSI all are trying to rise. So considering this, now only buying entry now is at 46,260. Expect 46,340, 46,400. If at all it trades beyond this, expect 46,500 and 46,600. I do not expect it to breach 46,600 today at least. On the downside, even if it tries to trade bullish, that is going to be a biggest hurdle here. On the downside, I will recommend a selling entry at 46,140 levels. Expect till 46,000, or rather I'll say till 45,950, you have to trade with 50 points trailing stop loss. Every 50 points you will find a support here. Below 45,950, 45,800 is the first target, and then 45,700. Any drop below 45,700, that will be the beginning of the next downtrend. This could take it all the way towards 45,200 levels very, very soon. Take your trades and positions accordingly. Let's move to Germany 40. Germany has posted a very good rise yesterday, but it is yet to break beyond the critical milestone at 23,800 level, which will be the confirmation of reversal. 23,800, 850 zone. Right now, what is happening, you can see on the hourly chart, since the drop, this is a retracement, lower highs are seen, so possibly it can still move lower. I'll wait for today's move that will decide the further direction. On the hourly charts, increasing bearishness is seen. Wait for the next candle, and if you see it is staying below 23,650, you can stay with the sells towards 23,600 and 23,500. Stochastic at bottom, MACD since the retracement crossing over here, slight bearish indication it is. The RSI is also indicative of slight bearishness. Coming to 2-hour chart, similar observation. See, steps are getting created. With the next candle, we might see a move towards 23,650, 600 levels. Indicators are trying to cool down, suggestive of slight bearishness. But right now, one important thing here on the 3-hour charts, because the current candle is about to close, 5-period moving average is offering it a support here. And if you now see it is staying beyond 23,720 and 23,760 zone, you can stay with the buys for 23,800, 850 and higher levels. Remember, once it trades out beyond this, it could post a massive recovery all the way towards 24,100 levels. On the 4-hour chart, similar observation. This is the zone which is going to remain critical for DAX to break beyond 23,800, 850. That should confirm the next move towards 24,000 and higher levels. Though the stochastic is overbought, the other indicators still have room for further rise. Coming to daily. On the daily charts, notice what you are seeing here is double top was seen here as 23,900. Since then, lower highs are seen. And today's move is going to remain crucial, as we have seen a complete recovery from this drop. Now it is the time for it to deliver a breakout. So if you see now DAX trading beyond 23,720, 23,760, 23,800, I'll say till 23,900, just exercise a little caution. Beyond 23,900, just close your eyes, stay bullish for 24,000, 24,100. See what it has done, it has formed a base here and now trying to bounce back. So this might be the confirmation of complete recovery as well. Stochastic rising, MACD trying to converge, RSI flat. Considering this, what you can do first is where you should buy. I will recommend you to buy 23,720, expect 23,750, 760, 23,800, 850 and then 900. Any drop breakout beyond 23,900, stay bullish for 24k and 24,100 levels today itself. On the downside, I will recommend a selling entry at 23,640, expect 23,600, and if this is taken, then 23,500. Any drop below 23,500, stay with the sells. We are looking at 23,200 very, very soon. Trade accordingly. Let's move to FTSE. FTSE 100, despite slight bullishness, it has failed to trade beyond 92.50 levels. That is very, very crucial here. It has to trade beyond 92.46, 92.50 zone in order to confirm any kind of bullishness here. See how strong is the wall it is formed at 92.45-46 zone. Though the moving averages have crossed over here, I can see this is a good supportive sign for the bulls, but the bullishness is missing here. Also notice the drop here, retracement, and if at all it decides to trade below 92.10, 9200, that will be the confirmation of beginning of reversal here. Indicators have cooled down, the MACD is crossed over. RSI is also suggestive of slight bearishness. On the 2-hour chart, similar observation. Any move beyond 92.45, you can expect it to move towards, in fact, 92.60 levels here, which is going to be the next milestone. Else what's happening? Drop, retracement. And see, in the retracement also, it could even take a U-turn from the current levels. Stochastic has dropped, MACD is comfortable, RSI is comfortable. On the 3-hour chart, similar observation. The resistance on the upside is pretty strong. I'll wait for the current candle. If at all it decides to trade below 92.30, you can stay with the sets for 92.20, 92.18 as the first target zone, 92.10 as the second, and 92.100 as the third. Any drop below 92.100 will be a clear indication of greater correction here. Similar observation on the 4-hour charts. Buying entry only above 92.45. Till then, it's not yet a buy. Coming to daily, on the daily charts, a flat top is very crucial signal here. If at all it delivers this breakout, you can expect 92.60 and in fact 92.80 levels. Notice what is happening. Bigger drop, retracement. A smaller drop, it could retrace small. It could move towards 9300. This is a consolidation from which it has to come out of. Any move beyond 93.50, anyways, it's a breakout on the upside. Stochastic rising, MACD bearish, RSI flat here. So considering this, 92.45 is the buying entry. Expect 92.60, and if this is taken 92.80, 9300 should be seen very soon, and if this is taken 93.40 should be the next target. On the downside, I will recommend a selling entry at 92.28. Expect 92.18, 92.10. If this is taken 91.95 and 91.80. Below 91.80, it is going to crash hard towards 91.50 and lower levels. Trade accordingly. Like, share, subscribe and comment. Join my mentorship batch. Join my Signals channel. Reach out to me for your queries. Join the free Telegram channel for live market updates. And join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. See you again before the US session with more updates. Was that as well. Thank you.